G'day guys, this video is about the 1994 Mazda with the 1.8, with the double overhead cam 1.8. Now with these, we actually, this is our courtesy car, but we remembered they're hard to set. There's this horrible bracket that runs all the way around the back. This is a car you got to pull a drive shaft to get the alternator out, stuff like that. But what this video is about is just the nature of the hydraulic lifters pushing on the cams, right? So there's always a way around setting timing. All these cars you need special tools for and all that. There's always a way around it if you can sort of come up with it. Now the way here, because you've got on the intake side, the E is meant to face there. And on the exhaust side, just to confuse you, the I is meant to face down there on that cross. You should be looking up the timing marks yourself. That's not what this video is about. What the video is about is putting the belt on, right? The easiest way is to get two 24mm spanners or one 24 in your set and then an adjustable wrench there. And basically get someone to align the cam there, okay? And then mark it back here. Okay, so mark it there and mark it there, okay? And then you control the cams while they fit the belt with the slack at the tensioner side. It was funny, we were having a laugh before and we were talking about the spring on them I called out, I don't know how I remembered, 59mm. And the mechanic said, yeah, 59.4 or something. But if you're gonna remember that from all these years ago, it's not a good job, okay? We've left it sitting over there for a month. We've been flat out because it's not an easy job, okay? This is a job where there's a lot of things can go wrong. And yeah, it's just, that's our insight. But obviously turn the engine 2, 4, 8 times, however many times you want. Also, don't forget to release the spark plugs when you're turning the engine. It just makes it better and more accurate. And yeah, top dead center if you've broken the belt, confirm with putting a screwdriver here, but it does have a mark there, right? But you confirm top dead center if you've broken the timing belt. If you're not going off existing marks, by putting a screwdriver here and turning the engine to the mark, and you'll see it just as it sort of rocks on top. But yeah, like most of my videos, it's not about how to do the job. It's just about a little tip to help you install the belt. Once we held it and once we marked them, the belt was installed in 1 minute, okay? If you're on your own, you're gonna play around with this for hours and they will seem to move. So they're both under preload, okay? Hope that helps, mate.